This is how you retrieve an attachment from into your Zoho CRM. So an attachment can come in different forms, but go to your email inbox usually. You can type or just copy paste the name. Go to your Zoho. So the contact. And attach. Upload a file. There it is. So now archive, not delete, otherwise it'll get out of your system. You'll always have the attachment, but the email itself will be deleted. So I recommend you never have to see that email again, except through Zoho, where it's nicely organized. So when you go back, you can go to the email. You'll see that the attachment will be there. There it is, the one that you just. You can always view it. It'll just open up a new tab to view it. Your contact tab is still here. And if you were Roman Del Monte, there's the account. So the attachment is Alexander. It's not for the company. It'll be there in under her as a contact. So this is basically the company if you wish. But that's pretty simple. So you go to your inbox, attachments, and you can click here and upload a file is the easiest method. And you could just drag and drop what you have in there. And that's it.